Hey there, my name's sᴜᴘᴘᴏʀᴛ and I'm making this video from Chiang Mai, Thailand. In today's video, how to save money here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Yes, it's already pretty inexpensive compared to Western countries, but if you want to go that extra step, if you are a backpacker or you're super frugal and on a budget, I'm here to help you. This is how to make Chiang Mai and the rest of Thailand even cheaper. These are going to be my top 5 best tips, so stay tuned. Tip number 1, only eat at Thai restaurants. Trust me, if you eat at Thai restaurants, the max it's gonna cost you, maximum if you go nuts, is 150 Canadian or probably like 120 US a month. So it's really gonna be very economical, and the reason for that is because each meal you're gonna get is gonna be in the ballpark of 35 to 50 baht, and that's pretty good. Like that's maybe $1 a meal. So I'm also factoring in some of those other emergencies. Maybe one meal is 100 baht, maybe a couple of them are like that. But if you only eat, make it a habit. Tell yourself, I'm only gonna eat at Thai places. It's really gonna be more economical. I'm actually gonna go and show you some of the prices so you can see how good it truly is. Tip number 2, walk as much as possible. You may think that it's very cheap here and that you don't need to walk. You might as well get transportation everywhere, but it really adds up. I mean, like 50 baht, 50 baht, 50 baht, 50 baht, 50 baht, like that is already, you're sitting at $12 US. So what you really want to do is make sure that you're saving where you can, and you can do that by walking. Another great thing about walking is that it's super healthy for you. As somebody who's traveling the world and working online, you're going to need to walk a little bit. No matter your budget, like you gotta walk to that taxi stand, you have to bring your bags downstairs. So walking is actually going to build you up some stamina that you didn't have back home. In Western countries, we're so used to having our cars to drive us around, but here, you can actually walk around and build your stamina. Before you know it, you can walk miles, and it's so healthy for you. So tip number 2 to save money is walk. So let's do a quick refresher. Tip number 1, only eat Thai food. Tip number 2, remember to walk, not just for saving money, but because it's going to be really healthy for you. Tip number 3, long-term accommodations. If you can find a long-term accommodation, instead of your place costing you 450 US a month, it's only going to cost you like 270 US a month. That's the difference of picking a 3-month rental, if you can get a visa extension or an education visa, versus picking a 1-month tourist visa. It's going to be more expensive on Airbnb and even Agoda. And that leads me right into tip number 4. Stay places longer. The longer in which you stay in a place, the easier it's going to be to establish a schedule and do the same things. When you're in a new country, you're going to be doing different things all the time, which makes it very hard to track your budget, track the places where you eat, and track how you're going to save. If you travel longer, you get more used to your budget, and it really helps you. So that's tip number 4. Try to stay in a place for at least a couple months or a few months, if possible. Obviously, you have to make sure that you get that sorted out. I wasn't able to do that in Thailand, but I'm also not on an extremely strict budget either. And my final tip to save money here in Thailand, this is tip number 5, is bargain. Now, you can technically bargain for anything, including food, but generally you don't bargain for food. The listed price is what it is, and people will be less likely to change it. But if you're super strict budget, I'm pretty sure you could find a way to bargain for food as well. But bargain on the items you buy. If you buy shirts, if you buy shorts, if you buy a new wallet on the street, always drop it by at least half the price. I usually offer 1/3 or 1/5 of the price and then work my way up, but try at least 1/3 of the price. If not, walk away. So those are some of my top tips for living economically here in Thailand. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell. And remember, my videos are here to help you, so drop me a comment if you have any questions. In the meantime, thank you for watching.